Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to magic mask for free in DaVinci Resolve 21. So to get started, you're going to want to download a certain plugin and just open up your web browser and type in KVN Rotoscope. Click on the first result and then click on download for Windows. So the install process is pretty straightforward. Just go ahead and load up the executable. And once it's installed into DaVinci Resolve, you should be good to go. So I've got a clip loaded into my timeline. And let's say I want to mask out one of the cars right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on Workspace, click on Scripts rather, and then click on KVN Rotoscope. So again, uh, if you follow the install process correctly, you should be able to see that there in the workspace. It's really, really easy. Just go ahead and follow the executable. Go ahead and run the executable. So I'm just gonna give it a second or two to load. And once it's done, you should be able to see this window. So as you can see, you can control the playback of the video you want to mask here at the bottom. So I'm just going to put it about here and I'm going to select the car. So to do that, I'm going to click on the frame, just add a few dots around the object. And once that's done, I'm going to click on both. So it should be able to detect the car very, very easily. And now it's starting to track the movement. So just give it a few minutes, depending on how fast your computer is. This might take anywhere between 2 to 5 minutes, and also depends on how long the clip is, of course. So now that it's finished tracking, I'm going to go ahead and select an export destination. I'll just send it to my desktop and click on save, then render. So I'm going to give it a few more minutes to render. And once that's done, we should have the masked out subject complete. So there we go. Your mask has automatically been applied. And back to DaVinci Resolve to continue editing. So now that that's finished, we can go ahead and head back into DaVinci Resolve. And if you'll notice, it has automatically applied the mask to the clip we selected. So I just made a few edits. I went ahead and cut it down the middle. So that way I get to properly edit this particular clip. So now, if we would like, it should be really, really easy to do some masking effects, like adding text behind that specific car. So I'll show you a quick demonstration real quick. Just going to go ahead and drag and drop the original video underneath. That way, I get to have a background because currently the car is the only thing visible in this mask or in this layer. So if I want to put text behind it, I'm just going to go ahead and go to effects, go to text or titles, and just add a text effect to our timeline, put it in between the original video or the background and the foreground, which is our mask layer. And now I'm just going to go ahead and type in something like need for speed. And if we watch the video over, you can see that the car appears above the text and the text appears above the background. So if you ever wonder how some people achieve those kinds of effects, that's pretty much how. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.